later.
G'day.
Hi, thank you.
Thanks. Oh, can you just move it? I can't get the door open.
Sorry. Lock the door. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Yay!
Oh, come on, Scotty, DailyPuzzles. Come on. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
At this point in recording, we'd like to take a brief pause to let everybody know we ordered the SpeedStacks Gen 5 timer, GAN and MoYu Lube, DailyPuzzles Speedcube map, the YJ-V2 Megaminx magnetic speedcube, and the MoYu Weilong 2021 Maglev with core magnets.
Many hours later.
Hi everyone, and today we're gonna open up the new MoYu from DailyPuzzles. And it's actually kind of expensive and cheap, but it's not much.
Can I open it now?
I'm doing it.
Okay.
And let's unbox this.
So yeah, can I open it?
I got this. It's really hard to open.
Can I tear it?
No!
There we go.
Yay! Give me. Oh my goodness. Oh, here comes the...
La! Okay, so in the box we've got the box.
The key.
We have the cube and its nice display case with, whoops, there it is, some tools, I guess, or is that just plastic to...
Plastic.
Ooh,
Ooh!
nice. So it's a kind of a mounted display case.
And we've got...
That's tools and accessories. And
Yes.
this is like a quite intense plastic card. Is it a credit card? No.
What is it?
Core magnet set for MoYu 2021, number 1877. Wow, it actually has an individual number.
So we're going to use that card for something?
No. In the accessory box we have a plastic knob. Instructions, hope you can read Chinese. Screwdriver, turning thing.
Tiny thingy pingy.
That's for more twisty turny things. No, you don't use that one over there. So, out of the box.
Can you stop doing this?
Oh, that feels so good. It's a really nice plastic. It doesn't feel cheap or
It feels so good. You should
like it
buy
feels-
this from DailyPuzzles using this cat old Ting Boy.
Ting Boy.
Ting Boy.
Yeah, but you're not Ting Boy.
This cat, go to search DailyPuzzles and buy this new MoYu Cube
It's quite loose actually.
Logan
So you're,
WR Maglev.
one of the things I like about it is it's purple on the inside.
Yeah.
You can see a nice little purple there. I just messed it up. Where am I going here with this?
You are just going nowhere.
Yeah, that is true. No, that doesn't go there. It's got a really nice, the plastic is really nice. I mean, I'm not a connoisseur of plastics, but I've noticed some cubes, they feel, you can solve that for me, they feel cheap. But that one feels really nice. It's got a really nice smooth turning sensation. It's super quiet as well. Compared to my GAN, it's got a bit of a crunchy noise to it. That's super quiet. Can I just have another look? Can you solve it?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sure you can.
This is so
Where are you up to?
Yeah.
Are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, let me go from there.
Okay. DailyPuzzles is a great shop, and you can buy all sorts of cubes. And I'll be just right back with one of the ones that we only got halfway through.
Solved it. I'm going to say, so it's got magnets there, which you can feel. But this has got the core magnets on it. So you can see when I turn it,
It just locks it.
you get to about here, and it jumps.
Yeah.
That last part. So
Can I do something?
the other thing I was going to say, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably really smooth and a really nice plastic. I was just going to pop it open.
Ooh!
I'm going to break it. I'm going to break it.
Go, go.
I can't. Just want to come off. Anyway, I will.
It's too new.
It's locked. It's locked and loaded. Anyway, I'm not going to worry about adjusting it just at the moment. So I don't think these ones. Oh, okay. If you look, they've got a really tiny. You can see they've got numbers there.
Yeah.
And that's what you use
To adjust.
these ones for, to adjust the strength. No, not that one. Those ones to adjust the strength of the magnet. You use these with this.
Okay.
Yeah.
And earlier I said we got another one that we ordered. And it was also, everything was also over $100. And we got a Megaminx.
We got a Megaminx, which is driving me nuts trying to work out some basic
We
algorithms
just
to solve
got
it.
the white layer done and these two layers.
We've done like F12, we've still got 312, 412,
Yes.
512, 612 and 712 to go.
Infinity.
So we also got a timer, so a stack mat. So you're going to mess that one up, and I'm going to mess this one up.
We're going to have a race. And if you go back to our Cindy 2022 episode, we have shown that my usual timing has been 29 seconds for my PB.
No, that's my PB is 29 seconds. Yours is 57 seconds.
Well, it used to be 59, and then Mark actually changed to 57 seconds.
Yeah, okay, that's my mix.
And make sure you
Have a look.
like and subscribe.
Mix.
My nose. Gonna-
Okay, we turned on. No, turn on first. So
Okay.
this is the G5 stack mat timer.
I'm gonna go first, and let's see who beats
Well,
me.
no, we'll race each other.
Yeah, but there's only one time. I'll
Oh
go
no,
first.
it's alright. We'll just see who wins, and you can time yourself.
Okay.
I'll count in my head.
No in front.
Oh,
Cover-
no inspection time.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm being rude to him. Okay. Nice. 3, 2, 1, go. So
Can I go nice and slow?
Yes.
Are you going to talk while you're solving?
Yep, I can. Now, this could
Can I talk to you while you're solving to get you distracted?
sure try. He's
Yeah.
trying to be rude to me, but I don't think that's gonna happen.
I'm going to do a really slow solve because I'm not concentrating.
Great.
Red and blue. Where's the other red and
I
blue?
just got 2 random rocks hanging about. And I've done my F2L pairs. Up to my yellow.
What?
What?
I just made a mistake. It's alright, don't worry.
Great.
I think my cube needs a clean compared to that one.
Oh, sorry, pass a minute. Nah.
Well, I'm not concentrating, that's why. Ah, super easy finish. A minute 16, that's my worst time today.
I'm in a 19. So close. I'll be right back. I just need to. I'll be right back. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay, start it again.
Hi,
3, 2, 1, break, go.
hi everyone.
No, that's not what I mean. You got to do it. You go 3, 2, go.
Hi everyone.